will have the last refresh time. Usually what happens in the real world, when you create the dashboard, we would like to know when exactly the dashboard has been refreshed. So we will be refreshed. We would like to know when the dashboard has been refreshed. So what we will be having is there will be definitely a date column which says when the dashboard is being refreshed. Say suppose last refresh time or report time, something like that. So, but in this case, we do not have any recent data. So what I will be doing is I'll just take the system date and then I'll show it as the last refresh time. For that, we would like to have the calculate, we would like to create the calculation field today. So just today is the, the function which gives the today's date, just apply and then drag and drop it to the text. So it is giving me the year. So I don't want the year. Just format it. More or else exact date. This looks fine. But we have more, right? Just go to custom and then say, oh, okay. 1 second. You can cancel this one. You can do it in the format as well. Format, yes, here it is. Date and then standard long date. Okay, this is what I meant. So today's date is 1st November 2021. Cool. And then just name it as last refresh date. Oh, okay. Go here and then here. So here you can actually have last updated date. This looks good. And then just make it as bold and then change the color to blue. Good to go. Okay. Instead of automatic, center, then middle. Because this is standard, we should make it as entire view. Okay, we have kept it white all the time. So now let's change the background color. For that, just go to format, shading, and then to the sheet. It is blue. So let's give this this color. Okay, this looks fine. Okay, now this is applied to the entire worksheet, right? Say suppose you don't want none, make it as none. You want only to the pane. So just click on pane and then give. Okay, now only to this pane it is applied. For this header, it just remove the header. This is done. I just don't want to show the tooltip. I'll just ignore this. Okay, now this is done. Say suppose you are the user who is viewing this dashboard, whatever the end product which we are creating. So you have found some questions or something like that, but you don't know whom to upload. So definitely in the dashboard, we should be having a place where the user can redirect and raise the tickets if they have any questions related to the dashboard. This is dashboard which we are creating, so we do not have any specific link. Either the user, you can redirect the user to the Jira or any other internal dash like ticketing system which you have. So definitely you will be having a link. So what you have to do, you just have to create the dashboard. You can just link that. You just can redirect the user to that specific link. So that is what we will be doing it right now. For this again, one more calculation. Okay, just here. What is that text? I'll just write it. I mean, this is the one. It's slightly italic. I'll just make it as center. Okay, this is done. And the background, I want to change it to some other color so that users can, let's make it yellow. This is entire view. Okay, this is better. And then we'll make it as a center and then automatic. Okay. Again, I don't want to show the tooltip. Now this looks fine. And then let's name it as ticket. Linking and all, we will be doing it in the dashboard while we create the dashboard. So for now, this is fine. And then, okay, this one we usually don't show this one. So, okay, but still we will make this semi-bold, I guess. Yes, and then blue. Now this is done. I think we are ready with almost all the sheets which are required for the. I think we are almost ready with all the sheets which are required for us to create the dashboard. So what we will do is we'll start creating the dashboard, and then in case if we want anything else, we can just add it like in between. Now before that, we did not had any filter over in any of the dashboard. So now let's just start adding the filters. Okay, the first filter is order priority, where it is. Okay, the first filter we will be adding is order priority. Just click here. We want all and then okay. Whether we want it in this sheet or it must be applied to the all other sheets. And definitely when the user clicks on some of the, say suppose if the user selects some orders, it should not reflect only sales. It should reflect even the profit as well, quantity, order count, everything must be reflected. So now just apply to worksheet, selected worksheet. So now we'll select the individual profit, quantity, order. We can actually do all, but still, but in the real world, we will not be doing it. So last refresh date, no, nothing to do with this, and then ticket. So fine. Okay. The next filter is market. Where is that? Okay, here it is. Just click on this one. All the markets. Okay. Again, apply selected worksheet. So let's select quickly. Okay. The next one is category. All. Okay. There are few more concepts, like few more conditions. We will do it. Okay, let's do it all and then ignore these two. It's easier. Category is done and then subcategory all. Okay. Then apply to worksheet, selected all. Then just remove this two. And then segment and then ship mode. Where is that? Okay. Yes. Ship mode. Now this looks fine. There are few more. Okay, I was talking about few more concepts, right? When we create the dashboard, I'll show you what exactly the problem is. Then we will come back to these filters and then we will resolve those issues. Let's this one for adding the sheet. So now we will be creating the dashboard. So you just have to create this one, new dashboard. Just click on this one. If you want, you can just select the range or automatic or fixed or whatever you want. I'll just go with the automatic and then just show the dashboard title. What is the title for this? Sample sales dashboard. So cancel this one. Let's rename this one. Okay, this is the one. Come this side and then Tableau bold, and then blue. 18 don't want. 16 would be sufficient, I feel. Okay. Now I want to increase. Okay. Okay, now you can see, right? This is the entire sheet. Just click on this one. Then come to this layout and then border, sorry, not border, background. We'll give it as this gray color. Okay, now we can see, right? Okay. Okay, let's go back again one more time. Yeah, the least one. Yes, correct. Okay, now this is fine. For this, okay, I think I have increased the size. Okay, now let's drag the sales, but I want all the filters to be shown here. So I will just start in the filters. Add the filters also. Okay, and then order priority, segment, ship mode, subcategory. Okay, now I want to show them as multiple values drop down based on your requirement. You can just change it. I'll just drag it and then okay, now this looks fine. For the market, what we will do again, same. I want everything to be similar, so I'll just do multiple values drop down. I will drag and drop next to this one. And then okay, category and subcategory should be next to each other. Now this looks fine. Okay, category is done. Order priority, multiple values drop down again, same way. Segment, fine. I'll just do it fast, then we will talk. Since there is so much of space here, I'll just drag this blank and then paste it next to this one. Okay. Now this looks fine. I'll just make it small. I think almost all of them are equally sized. Now all of them are equally sized. I think so. So let's change this layout. Just go to the background and then click on any of the colors which you want, but preferably like light color, blue. Light blue is what we like prefer, not like the dark one. So I'm just doing it to all same colors, not like one in different colors. Yes, it's done. For this one, I'll just go with the white. This one also, background white. Okay, this is done, but I want to have the apply button, show apply button. What is that means? When the user selects this one, the user has to click on apply. Then only the results will be shown. Without the apply button, when you just click on it, it will just start reflecting it. We don't want that. We just want to have the apply button. Same thing with the all others. Just do it fast. I'll just try to do it fast. Okay, we are done. Same thing with this as well. Background, I'll just make it as white. This looks fine. Now, sales, and then next to sales, profit, and then quantity, and then order count. Why this one is not moving? Okay. Average shipping cost. Let it be like this. I'll just drag this one. About issue. Okay, now I'm just I'm just make sure that you like drop like this. Otherwise, it will be reflected only to this sale. So I want to occupy all the same and all this space. So that is what I did. Then now I'll just went wrong. Now this is fine. I don't want any color legend, so I'll just delete it. We will fix all this. Just a minute. Now come back, like come here, fit as view. Go to the sheet and then see. Okay, fine. Just close this. I'm just removing it and then again I'm dropping it. Just reduce the size and then see. Is this extra space here? 1 second. There is some extra space. Then we'll make it as 9. That was the issue because there was some extra space over there. And then we'll go to layout and then background to white. Okay. Since we just copied, duplicated all the other sheets, so there will be issue with the, same issue will be present in all the sheets. So just go there and then this one, see, okay. That is the reason why it was not showing the values. Done. And then layout, background. Order counts. Same issue, I guess. Yes. Oh, okay. Okay. Color to background color to none. Sorry, white. Sorry. This one again, same. White. When user clicks user clicks on this, it's just looking somewhat weird. So what we do is we will just first we'll reduce the size to big. Okay, looks fine. Let's give the background to like blue, then this thin line. Okay, to all others as well. Okay, but this is became black. Okay, not black, this blue would be fine. This thin line, blue. Make sure everything will be in the same color. Okay, this is done. Again, this one is there is no. I'll do is I'll just delete it and then I'll just add it one more time. Let's go to layout and border black, sorry, blue. So there is some issue. I'll just try to fix it. Background to white. And I did right.